All right, we are using logs to solve exponential equations. So for example, 4 to the 3w minus 5 equals 3. Make sure that you title your notebook using logs to solve exponential equations. Okay, the whole point is to get w by itself, to get the unknown variable isolated. So how will we do that? Well, first you have to add 5 to get rid of this, subtracting 5. Okay, so make sure you do that first. And how do you undo an exponent? Well, you take the log of both sides. So now you have log 4 3w equals log 8. Okay, there's a property of logs you can use, which is the power property. Make sure you write down your properties as you go, where you can bring the exponent down to the front. That gives you 3w log 4 equals log 8. We want to get w by itself, so we're going to divide everything by 3 log 4. 3 log 4. Divide this by 3 log 4. The phone needs to be put in the pouch, Essence, please. I think I said that. All right, and then you go to your Desmos, and you're going to put that in. Log 8 divided by 3 log 4. Again, we're dividing by 3 log 4 to isolate the w. So what does w equal? Well, take log 8 and divide it by 3 log 4. So log 8 divided by 3 log 4. That's 0.5. W equals 0.5. There's your answer. Okay, and then I'll show you the other way to do it. So this is method 1. Some people like method 1, some people don't like method 1, so you can try method 2 if you prefer. Method 2 would be, you got 4 3w minus 5 equals 3, right? That was the original question. Same thing, you're going to add your 5. And you're going to get 4 to the 3w equals 8. Well, what could we do? Look at your format. We've got a base, we've got an exponent, we've got an argument. Base and exponent equals your answer, your argument. Oh, look at that. We've got a log, we've got a base, we've got an argument equals our exponent. Recognize the pattern and use it. Do your circle thing if you're doing this method. Make sure you show your work. So take log base, which is 4. Your base is 4. Raise to the argument, right? Log base 4 of the argument, which is this one, 8, equals your exponent, 3w. So from there, 4 to what power gives you 8? 4 to what power gives you 8? So we're going to put it in here, log. To do the log base 4 of 8, you hit the tree and hit functions. And scroll down to log the base. There it is, right here. Log base. Your base is 4, so type 4. argument is 8. Okay, log 4 of 8. Log 4 of 8 is 1.5 equals 3w. 1.5 equals 3w. Isolate your w by dividing by 3. 1.5 divided by 3. 1.5 divided by 3 is 0.5. So you could do it either way, pick a way. Which method do you prefer? Method 1 or method 2? Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and show you another example. Let's do another one. Let's do number 11. And you're responsible for doing the other problems. All right, number 11. 5 times 9, v minus 1 plus 1 equals 181. It looks crazy, right? But just take it one step at a time. We're looking to isolate the v. So let's get rid of numbers and variables around it that need to go. Well, this plus 1, that 1 was added, so let's subtract it. So you're left with 5 times 9, v to the 1 equals 180. What else can we do? Well, 5 times this whole thing. Well, you can divide it by 5 to get rid of that one. 180 divided by 5. I want to see you doing your paper math. 180, 18 divided by 5 equals 18, 3, 15, 3, 0, 6. Double check your math there. That's 36. 9 to what power gives you 36? 9 to what power gives you 36? Okay, method 1. And pick your method, or do both methods to cross-check yourself. All right, the first method, you can take the log of both sides. Log 9, v minus 1 equals log 36. Power property, bring the power down. v minus 1 times the log of 9. Again, v minus 1, bring it all the way down in front. Log 9 equals log 36. You're taking the log of both sides. You want to get v by itself. So we're going to divide by log 9. That gets rid of that. You can't divide by this minus 1 because this is v minus 1. This is its own parentheses. So you're only dividing by this log 9 to get rid of it. Divide this by log 9. So let's go ahead and go over here and type in log 36 divided by log 9. That's 1.6309 equals v minus 1. How do you isolate v? You're going to add 1 on both sides. That's method 1, by taking the log of both sides like that. If you don't like that way, then do it the loop-de-doo way. Do you prefer taking logs of both sides, or do you prefer doing loop-de-doo? We notice a pattern. Your base, exponent, argument, log, base, argument, exponent. Make sure you did it correctly by doing your loop-de-doo. 9 to the exponent equals 36. 9 to the exponent equals 36. Do your loop, circle loop. So let's go ahead and evaluate log 9 of 36. Log 9. You can do ABC, AB to get the base. 36. Log 9, 36, 1.603. 1.6309, right? Equals v minus 1. Get v by itself by adding 1. Add 1. Pick a method to do. All right, and that's how you use logs to solve for a missing exponent.